Right now you are watching this video. Like this daily you need to watch this chart. This chart will give you calls automatically. It will generate calls like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green candle open. Like this daily this chart will analyze the candle movement. Once the breakout happen, it will immediately give the calls like a signal. Through this signal, through this entry, you can do manual trade, auto trade, both are possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We are watching in Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today it's a September 12th market. After 1 o'clock a breakout happened. During that breakout a buy call came. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry point line. Above line or target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is buy at 51,337. First target is 466. It's almost a 130 point first target range. Like this chart will analyze the candle movement. We are watching Bank Nifty Future. In few minutes we will show option chart also. So many of them are trading in option. So in Bank Nifty Future, we are daily basis analyzing in Bank Nifty Future using a 1 minute candle. So according to the 1 minute candle, whenever the breakout happen, if a upper side breakout happen, it will immediately give calls like a buy call, buy signal, green candle. If it's a downside breakout, sell call, sell signal, red color candle will be open. So like this, whenever the breakout happen, it will immediately give the calls like this. Through these calls, you can do your intraday tradings. After a up and down volatile, it started to move in upper side direction and break out the first target range. In next 10 minutes, it break out the second target range also. Like this call generated and break out both the target. First 30 minutes, market was traded in a very flat momentum, but after a momentum, it break out both the targets. Out of the money, weekly expiry, 51,500 call option we are watching. The buy call came at 199 and market move all the way to 320, 330 range. Like this, you can change script, Nifty, crude oil, and you can watch the signal also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp.